Let's talk about pricing. Barter Black has two subscription plans, the silver and gold plan, and we are going to discuss each one. There is a one time activation fee for each plan, either $47 or $97 for the gold plan. This is a membership platform, so you are charged a monthly membership of either $20 on the silver plan and $30 on the gold plan. Service fee on purchases means that every time you purchase something on the Barter Black platform, similar to a freelancer platform, you are charged a service fee. So if you were to purchase a $1,000 service on the Barter Black platform and you're in the silver plan, you are going to come out of pocket $120. If you purchase a $100 service on the Barter Black platform under the silver plan, you are going to come out of pocket $12. Same for the gold plan, $100 service on the gold plan, you're going to come out of pocket $8. And if it's 1,000 barter bucks on the platform for a service, you're going to come out of pocket $80. Each plan gives you welcome barter bucks, 250 on the silver plan and 500 on the gold plan. Each membership also includes the wellness mirror. Yes, we are a bartering platform, but we also want you as the founder to be well, so we have a strategic wellness consultant who hosts these sessions on a monthly basis for each member to join a group session. Also, in our membership, you have access to our grant list, which includes grants, pitch competitions, accelerators, also speaking opportunities, and our member Facebook group. This is available to you no matter what plan you decide to choose. Now, if you choose the gold plan, it gives you extra visibility. Member spotlighting. This means you are spotlighted on the front page of our website, as well as there are members posted on our social media accounts weekly. You also have access to the Barter Black podcast, where you can be a guest and be interviewed by someone on the platform. This is also streamed to all of our social media accounts. And then you also have event promotion. So if you are someone who hosts events on a regular basis, this is great for you because you're able to include your events on our main event calendar. These are the two plans that you can choose from when joining the Barter Black platform, including all of the features that are included.